best drama applications out there, and we take a look at this application here, our ShortMax Watch Drama Show. So once you watch the full video, stay tuned. And see here, this is pretty much the home screen, and quite a lot of short films here which you can watch. You can go in the short section, pretty much like TikTok, where you scroll through and see different parts of the movies. You have the my list section, movies that you have added to your favorite list, and over here where it says the profile, this is pretty much where you go to check on your coins and subscription. So you're gonna need coins to pretty much unlock episodes on this application, so do keep that in mind. If I tap on the subscribe option here, you can pretty much get unlocked all episodes for a limited time, pretty much all series for a limited time. Here you have an annual subscription and the price for it. So that's pretty much where you go to get your subscription. For the coin section now, you just tap on the top up option here. You can see all the prices for the coins. So you're gonna need coins to pretty much unlock episodes if you don't have the subscription or that up there. And here you can get free coins by tapping on the reward section here. By just checking in, you can get free coins. So as you can see here, by checking in tomorrow, get 50 free coins as well. Down here, you can get extra coins by just completing these tasks down here as well. So very good application as it relates to short films, and these are just some quick movies that these people have made, and you can pretty much tap on anyone to watch it. Some of them you may need a subscription, as you can see here, exclusive and so forth. But let's say I've tapped on this option here. I'm not sure if you guys have seen it, but some of these movies you won't be able to see. You won't be able to see because of their privacy policy. But once you tap on the movie, you can navigate through their series. If they have series, as you can see down here, it will show you how much series or episode this movie has in this series. So yeah, very good application. Movies are nice. Some of them may not be in English, so you can look for the dubbed ones. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the popular ones you can search over. You will see them over here. If you have any new releases, you can find it here as well. You just tap on a new option there, and you can just scroll across for what you want, or you can search as well for what you want. The rock searches type of story, family type of story, serial type of story, virtual fortune type of story, it is all there. And let me tell you, these movies are very interesting, and they're just captivating. They will catch you, man. They will catch you guys. So that's it for this video. If I missed anything in this tutorial, please comment below. And with all that said, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.